2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, alloy wheels, heated and cooled front seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.